Steve Solokoff. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Steve Solokoff. You're at the Club, non-stop news of the most intense, innovative aerobikes in the world today. Those who are left on the takeoff pole, well, national New Hampshire, your four-time national aerobike champion, Dr. Ron Collins. Lots of aircraft of choice with the wings flying here today for Window World MXS. Bobby flying this beautiful airplane from millions of people at 25 locations across the United States and Europe. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our 2015 and produces 370 horsepower and a 540 cubic inch Sky Dynamics engine. The Window World MXS is arguably the highest performance aerobatic airplane in the world. Celebrating 20 years in the business, Window World Windows have earned good passenger seal and are made right here in the USA. Window World is simply the best for less. Speaking of the best, do not take your eyes off Sword, the Cobra. Ladies and gentlemen, the giant heart in the sky dedicated to all who served our great country.
Watching as much as I'm enjoying the line. Special thanks to everyone here working on putting on this amazing air show at Happy Best. Great to do a hometown show. Thank you, my dad, for being here helping us this weekend. And I'll be inbound in about 20 seconds.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, direct your attention high to the right and look for smoke. Diving in high and from the right, reaching speeds in excess of 300 miles per hour. Look at the incredible roll rate on that Window World MXS. Outside, no great spin. Now kicks it over. And that's the inside. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? And precise flying style. And if you need to get some Rob Holmes swag, stop by our website, rhjustfly.com. Also want to tell you that Rob Holland is one of the world's very proud. Other than that,
22 for that. Everybody out of my way. Throw me out.
pay tribute to Mighty Upland Street by naming this next speaker the Rector.
Now you got your camera out.
I got it up for the 18th.
Look at that. Window World Cares is the official charitable foundation of Window World, and we'd like your help in the fight against childhood cancer and other life-threatening diseases. With the Text to Donate program, 100% of the money you donate to Window World Cares will go to the St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. All you have to do is text the word CARES to 91999, and together we can support the life-saving work of St. Jude. Again, ladies and gentlemen, if you look at the I'll take down to the left side of the overhead cross here. I'm just going to set up this landing. You know, normally the
The white car, girl driving, she's 58.
green rod is
Okay. No. No, I
So this
didn't.
is how we guys have found the approach. Starts off with a flat spin.
I wish my hair was.
You have some sunscreen.
I
You like the sunscreen, lady?
Now, if you didn't know, it's right back down the runway. Watch out carefully, because, you know, even the best pilots in the world are using an announcement. Or how about this move forward? Ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching us. That's Rob. I'm Steve. We are Rob Holland Ultimate Air Shows. Please check us out online and enjoy the rest of this amazing air show.